Hey guys, Jay Trades here. Welcome back to another video today. This is by far my biggest loss day. Look at that little pretty number right there. Only thing that's not pretty about it is this little minus sign because that's how much I lost today. So, I'll kind of go through and break it down, but let's go over my journal today. I lost quite, there was no news today. On SPX, one of my trades was actually a really good trade. Just bad stop loss placement called me to get stopped out before I hit my TP. And then on gold, I made a pretty big mistake. I'll get into that in a minute. Rights and wrongs. Rights, I traded my normal times, stopped trading for the day. Wrongs, I traded emotionally, bad stop loss placement on XPX, and flipped my bias on gold after retracement. Yeah, pretty bad. Caused me to lose this much on my demo account today. Not very good. So let's kind of get down to business. So start with SPX because I'm ashamed of gold. But anyways, is what happened, right? So we can take a little look here. Actually, let's go ahead and look at like my bias and stuff. So I had a pretty bullish daily bias because whenever I got in about 7:30, this had been heavily wicked out. And here, I'll just go ahead and delete this. This had been heavily wicked out into this, I believe, daily fair value gap. Yeah, daily fair value gap. Um, Heavily wicked out. Also swept underlying liquidity here. So yeah, I was like, oh, okay, I was time to flip my bias because then we have a mess. We have two massive bullish candles. Wait a minute, I want to try something. Okay, so I didn't really hop on this chart till about 7:40, so I counted two. So we had these two bullish candles, right? Maybe it could be an imbalance, but I'm gonna go ahead and say bullish bias because this liquidity had been swept. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. And I wasn't really wrong. Well, I might have been. Boom, retracement, boom. It could go over up to here in Asian times and sweep these Asian highs and come even lower, but I doubt it. Anyways, so let's go to the 15-minute. Just more confirmation. Alright, so then we have this low fair value gap here. I thought, okay, well, price, or this was made later, sorry for this trade, but yeah, I'll just go ahead and delete this, climb into my room. But anyways, so, boom, 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 little 5 minute fair value gap. I'm like, oh, retrace, let me enter off of this. So I went ahead and entered, saw it come lower, lower, lower. This was a simple, bad entry in stop loss placement. I think a much, much better area would have been for this, right here, this 5 minute fair value gap, because it was definitely respected. And I think a much, much better trade would have been something along. So this was a 2 to 2.5 risk trade. So it was like, 2.5 times the risk. Anyways, so I'm going to remove this. I think a much better trade would have been something like this. I see it retrace and here. Let's say I'm on this candle when I see it. Well, okay, and then put it probably below this low. Target these highs. Much better risk to reward. And didn't even just hit that. I could have multiple take profits. I could have had a take profit here, take profit here, take profit here, take profit here. You see this? This would have been a 7R. So I know what I did wrong in there. Just bad stop loss placement. I kind of got FOMO and was like, oh, it's going back up. I need to go ahead and enter, and then it stopped me out. And then literally in one single 5 minute candle hit my take profit. You see how big? There wasn't even any news today. Look at this. Literally no news. Hold on. Where is this? Here it is. Literally no news. And at 8:30 at market open, what the hell was that, man? Anyways, so then I was like, oh man, I messed up. Now I want you guys to guess what I did wrong here. Here, hold on. Let me go ahead and delete these. So I want you guys to guess what I did wrong here. I know what I did wrong. I want to see if you guys know what I did wrong. Let's talk about it. So on XPX twice, bad stop loss placement. Literally, that would have sufficed. Would it have been as good of a trade? No, but it's still a 2R, which is not bad at all, right? And would you look at this, right? I think I entered here. Yeah, I entered right here when I did this at 10:50 a.m. Yeah, I did this trade like before school from like 7 a.m. to 8:15. And then whatever that happened, I got stopped out. I was at school. Then I came home around 10:30. So, about 10:50. Yeah, 10:50, 10:45 is when I entered this trade. And I'm like, oh, it's gonna hit. Get stopped out down here. Obviously. Honestly, I probably wouldn't even place it here. I probably would have placed it like way down here. Honestly, I just don't think it's like the greatest trade to take. Well, can I get a smaller, a little bit of a smaller for value gap here? It's not like a great trade to take, I guess, unless you like put your stop loss all the way down here, and then like you're targeting absurd highs like all the way up here. Then that's a great trade, right? But that's not my case. My stop loss was here. Got stopped out. Simple stop loss placement. You guys want to know something crazy? If I didn't get it happened here. If I didn't get stopped out here, ooh, and look at that. And literally 15 minutes. Look, 3 up candles, right? Now it's retracing. It's probably going to fill this fair value gap right here. Oh. It's probably going to fill this fair value gap right here. And then, honestly, I might enter off this. I might enter. This might be a good entering opportunity because I might not miss this trade. If I see it retracing here, retrace and then kind of step around a little bit and it doesn't really go below here, I think I'll enter. And if I do enter, I'll post the results on my Instagram story and let you guys know if it was a hit or not. And then I can change this, hopefully fix that, make that like 200 or something, make me feel better. Well, let's look at the logistics of this trade. Realistically, it's probably gonna come down the middle, so here, right? Target these highs. Stop loss. Oh, let's put the stop loss here. It's a good trade. It's a really good trade, actually. Oh crap! Yeah, I'm gonna enter. I'm gonna enter. You guys are gonna see the results in this video. Turns out it's not just a trade recap, guys. I'm actually trading. Stop loss at 5997.57. Look at this thing filling the fair value gap right here before our eyes. Here, let me go ahead and delete this and delete this. Go down to 1 minute. It's still ridiculously good trade. Risking $100. Just trying to get a better entry. That's all. 8-2. Yeah, I'll enter. If I lose, then I might not post tomorrow, guys. Alright. Here we go. Now we got a 5.6R trade. That is not too shabby. For oh yeah, if this hits, it'll put me in profits. Now, am I trading a little bit more emotionally than earlier today? I'm actually not. I'll get into that in just a minute. Trust me, this is way better. See what I mean? Like I always mistake my freaking stop loss placement, and I'm not risking that much. No, no, no. Uh oh, not good. Not very good. This might not be good. How about we stop staring at this for a moment and go look at my big failure over here? What is this? So bite. Okay. Alright, guys. Now let's have a look at this trade. So, my normal time to trade is literally here to here. My normal time to trade. And as you can see, I entered this trade right here. So, let's explain my dumb thought process here. So I'm like, we have a little bit of a fair value gap here. Oh, I didn't realize this earlier. It actually broke the fair value gap, so it wasn't. All right, you guys are seeing my what I did wrong here, right? Anyways, so if I turn on my executions, you see, oh, we just lost this trade. Yep. Dang it, wicked it hard. You know what, guys? I don't. Oh yeah, these are disappearing off of the. This was the one that we just did now. You know what? I'm just gonna. Never happened if you don't see it, right? Wait, yeah, it never happened. Yeah, let's just nothing ever happened here. All right, that was a good setup though. Just I need to work. I need to research my stop loss placement. That's all I need to do. Is I need to research how to put better stop losses because that's why I'm losing half my trades. Anyways, so let's go into detail of what happened here. So if we go to my settings and turn on my executions, where my executions at? I don't know where they're at, but I entered right about. I think he was here on a trade for a short. Cause guess what my daily bias was, and I put my stop loss at this high right here, and I put my take profit all the way down here. Now, as you can see, this is an insanely good trade. It's a 4.5 R trade. Very good. You know what's crazy? I saw this from 750 to 755, and I saw it wick very hard. Like there was not a lot of pressure to go into my stop loss area, right? And I'm like, oh, we must have flipped bullish because we just filled this fair value gap. Is there even a 15-minute? Okay, hold on. There's a 15-minute fair value gap that you can book, and I think this is what I was looking at earlier. But this is what I'm seeing, right? We make a high here, we make a high here, 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 here. Obviously, it's a downtrend, right? We're on a downtrend for the day. This was my initial trade for the day. I'm not joking. I don't know why my executions are showing up because you'd be able to see. Oh, I'm dumb because I just freaking reset my account. Anyways, but I took this trade. I took this very trade right here. And I was like, I think it's gonna hit my stop loss, so I'm gonna flip my bias because I'm an idiot. And that's exactly what I did. And I took this trade here, which is stupid. And as you can see, it would have been a long play, but this trade would have hit at literally 10:45, about 3 hours after I took this trade. over 3 hours after I took this trade. Now a lot of people don't really like to be in a trade that long, which is that's fine, I guess, but whatever. But this trade would have put me in profits for the day, even though I lost 2 trades over here on SPX. So, more of the story, I'm either a horrible trader or I'm just an idiot. But I'm gonna get smarter and I'm gonna get better either way. I just gotta figure out which one I am. But yeah, that's all I have today, guys. If you like today's video, then please like and subscribe. And if you have tips for me, please leave them in the comments because you know I need them. And you guys have a great day. I will see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.